y'all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shape the wire into glasses with your fingers. There are a couple of other options right now. There's the 3D printed glasses template. There's a wire jig kit, and I'm going to get to that in a few minutes. But first, let's talk about the wire, and then I'll make the glasses with my fingers, and then we'll go over those other two things. So first, let's talk about wire. This one is probably my preferred wire. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's 16 gauge. It says right here. I don't know if you can see that. 16 gauge. And I really like this one. It's the easiest for me to work with. It's a perfect size. This one's from Walmart. In a pinch, this is not silver, but in a pinch, this will work. Like if you need wire now. Oh, this one here, this is Doris. I buy this one online. I like to use this wire, this gold wire for sunglasses, but that's besides the point. This one's a good one. This one is from Michaels. I haven't used it yet, but when I was bending this piece right here, it feels really nice. Feels like, this one feels like it really holds its shape. Okay, so, yeah, let's make some glasses. Let's make some glasses. Let's do this really quick, because I've got a couple of other things that I'm really excited to show you. So I wonder if I need to zoom in a little bit. Hang on, let's see. Let's try that. So the first thing that I do, if you have the pattern, you can follow around. Toby, can you talk, please? If you have the pattern, you can follow along with the instructions. So we're gonna use our thumb to bend it like this. And then over here, we're gonna bend it again. I guess I mostly use my thumbnail. And then again, bend it. And when we're bending this, we're working this wire over this beginning part that we made. And then we're gonna make the nose. Oh, did I go out of frame there? Put a little hump. Another little hump. Not a hump, but kind of a bend, a little bend right there. Let's see what we have so far. Okay. Now this side is always the trickiest part because you're trying to get both sides to look the same. That can be hard. Guys, I struggle too. I go through a lot of wire myself. So when we're working this side of the glasses, we're going to start working behind. So when we bent the wire to begin with, we came back around and came on top, came around this way. Now we're going to work the wire behind. And they don't have to be perfect. Sometimes I make glasses and I mess them up and y'all say, wow, you did such a great job on those glasses. I was like, oh, okay. You can't really see. We're our own worst critics. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I can already see that's just a little too round. I'm going to try and square that out a little bit. There we go. It's a little better. I hope I'm not breathing too hard tonight. Just kidding. Okay, there we go. Let's snip it. Let's kind of straighten them out a little bit. And then this is where I bend the sides. Hey, pretty good, pretty good. So let me show you all my test dummy over here. I have a doll that I use just for like trial and error stuff. It's not burning, but it's a doll about the same size, same head and everything. So that's how I make those with my fingers. But let me tell you what, I ordered the 3D printed glasses template and it was supposed to come today, but it didn't come. So let me just show you this. I'll make another video for the other one when it comes. But this is the Deluxe Jig Kit Artistic Wire. And I got this today, or this morning. Actually, I got it yesterday, but I used it this morning. And right away, the first glasses, the first pair that I made, they came out really great. Now, there's two glasses here that I want to show you. Okay, so there's this, and then there's these. This one I used the pegs on the wire jig kit to make the nose bridge. This one I used my thumb, so I'll show you both. Ooh, how long has that been there? My hair is everywhere. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let me pull this back a little bit. There we go. It comes with these pegs. Oh my gosh, hold on a second. I gotta catch my breath, guys. Okay, so it comes with these pegs. It comes with these little plastic things. So you put your pegs in the holes that you want to make the right shape. I may have to take a picture of this and put it on in my posts because I don't know if you can see it with the glare. But there's 2 rows of 3 pegs. This middle peg for the nose, and then the same thing on the other side. And let me show you this real quick. Zoom in. So just like the glasses that we just made, we're going to start, I gotta do it this way, like this. And we're just going to start bending around each of the corner pegs. So the one I'm going to show you first right now is using this middle peg to make the bridge. And like the other pair of glasses, we're working on top of this that we already bended. Okay. So to make the nose bridge with the peg, just bring it up like this. Just start bending it right there. Then you're going to bend against this peg, back around that peg. Now at this point, we want to work behind or underneath this right here. So we're going to turn this around. Pick it up, put this in front, and we're going to turn it just like this. There we go. So by doing this, it allows me to bend the wire over, well, now it's over, but when the glasses are right side up, it'll be underneath. So just keep bending. And we're almost done, guys. Shape it a little bit. There we go. Let me get this doll. Hang on. Let's bend this a little bit. So there you go. So this pair, using the peg to make the bridge, this part is a little wide. That's why I also tried making it with my fingers. So I basically did the same thing. Actually, I'm going to take some of these out. Hold on, let me. So when I made my own bridge, I only needed these 6 pegs. The other ones I took out, so I'm going to take these out. The pegs come in different sizes. I use the smaller one. Okay, let me zoom in again. Try to do this quick. Okay, start bending. Guys, I don't remember if I told you that you can find this on Amazon for $15. But I swear I've seen this brand at Joann's, so they may have it. They may have it at Joann's. Okay, so now we're ready to make the... Ooh, where did you go? Sorry. Okay, so this is the first side of the glasses, and we're gonna make the nose bridge. And I just use my fingers to kind of bend it a little bit and then make like a little hump. See? And then we're gonna make another little bend so that we can start on the other side. Just place it right here, hold it in place while you start bending again. Okay, so let's, like we did the with the other pair, we're gonna put this in front and turn it like this. Okay, hold it in place and start bending. All right, let's snip it. Oh my gosh, don't tell me that's a fail. Tobey messes up sometimes too. You didn't see that. Okay. Woohoo, let's try that again. Anyway, with some practice, you can do that nose bridge with your fingers. But if you want to use the peg, those glasses look just fine. Just fine, even with the nose bridge being a little bit wider. So I'm going to try to redeem myself real quick. Guys, the last thing I want to do is make it look so easy and perfect because it does take a little practice. Okay, let's try that again. I'm an old lady, y'all. I'm used to having this super close to my face. Let's see if that works. You know what? Let's go a little. There we go. Am I out of frame? God, guys, why do you like me? Oh my gosh. We're almost done here in a second. We're almost done here. I just really wanted to show you this other way, just in case you didn't like how wide the bridge was. All right. Ah, okay. Tobey redeemed herself. Whew. Let's bend those arms. Is that what these are called? Arms? We'll see. Okay. There we go. Yay! So I hope that you found that helpful. I hope that it's helpful that you saw me kind of mess up a pair too. But also, I really like this. It really worked for me. I think it'll work for you. And as soon as that glasses template, 3D printed template comes in, I'll make another video on that. So I hope you found this helpful. I'm still working at getting better at these. Thank you for watching.